Ring doorbell cameras. They have been a blessing to those who'd like to see anyone on their property. They also, however, have caught some of the most disturbing interactions between person and doorstep. Everything from a friendly neighborhood returning a package to a sinister violent act caught on camera. Here is Staircase Conspiracy's Top 5 Creepy Ring Doorbell Footage. Our list starts with a woman who approaches her neighbor's door and rings the doorbell. The woman appears to be distressed, wearing some sort of bandage around her eyes and nose. When someone finally answers, she asks the oddest question.
Hi, do you live here?
Yeah, I will live here.
Okay. Are you any good with computers?
We're in bed.
She asks if she can come up.
Can I come up?
No, we're in bed.
Oh, you're inside. I thought you said you were outside. Do you have time to come over and help me with it? If you don't, I'm just going to have to wait tomorrow and go to Best Buy or something.
But then later reveals that she had actually misheard the woman on the other line. Turns out, she just needed a little help with her computer. It's then revealed that she had fallen and had hurt her nose. More than likely, her pain medication had caused her odd behavior.
So it's up to you, but I'm waiting for an MRI to be scheduled of my head since I probably broke my nose and shoved it up into my head.
The owners ask politely to deal with the issue tomorrow. However, she mishears them again.
Can we do this tomorrow? It's like 3:30 in the morning.
Yes, I'll get up and do that with you at 3:30 in the morning.
No, it's 3:30 in the morning right now. Can we do this tomorrow?
Yes, we can do it tomorrow. I can just take it somewhere tomorrow. It's
Okay.
fine. I'm not trying to be a pain in the butt. I just hate computer stuff. And we're getting the kinks worked out of mine. It's new software, new hard drive, new everything. I'm way behind the times.
After both parties agree to work on the computer tomorrow, the odd woman stumbles back to cyberspace.
So, I'll just
Okay.
wait. Okay.
Okay.
Let me know. I'll be happy to call someone.
Okay.
All right.
Number 4. Our next video shows us the nefarious world of relay theft. Many new cars now have keyless entry systems. This allows the driver to open and start the car without using a button or turning a key so long as the fob is nearby. Thieves are exploiting this, using sophisticated technology to hack into your car's computer. They don't even need a key fob to start the vehicle and can drive away in a matter of minutes.
Camera recording.
Number 3. Even the most unsuspecting people can prove to be dangerous. Take the woman in our next clip. Nothing seems odd at first, until she attempts to set fire to the lens of the camera before making her way around the side of the house, disappearing momentarily. She then returns to the door one last time, and then leaves them with one final image. Number 2. Like I said before, These Ring doorbells can catch some of the oddest behavior, which is exactly what happened to this young couple who filmed a strange man on their porch. The man is seen on camera licking the doorbell. The couple stated that they were not home at the time of the occurrence. However, their children were inside asleep. Oh yeah, they also said he did this for 3 hours. Number 1. Perhaps one of the creepiest and by far the most scariest Ring video our channel has ever covered. We find ourselves on a quiet suburban neighborhood in Las Vegas.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain?
It's important to point out that nobody was responding to anything this man was saying. Whatever he was hearing was imaginary.
Sure.
So, who are you?
What? Yeah? Are you sure?
Who are you?
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about the TV show. Yeah, can you hear me?
The man finally reveals his terrifying intentions. With a knife and a gun, the danger was all too real.
What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her and kill her. Do you have her open the door? I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife and a gun. Yeah, and I'm going to knock on her door again. All right.
Finally, the man walks away, only to be arrested shortly after. Thank you for coming down the staircase with us for our top 5 creepiest Ring doorbell videos. Until next time.